Now that's a neck roast. Bam.
Growing up with my grandfather, every deer we harvested, after the heart, our favorite part was always the neck. Whether we made a roast, whether we put it into a stew, but that neck, the flavor that it has is something that's carried with me since my childhood, and I can't wait to share the rest of this recipe with you guys and how we fed all our veterans in camp with it. Watch all these ingredients come together to make a huge, wild flavor, one-pot pasta dish that's going to blow your mind. If you follow any of my cooking, you know that I love to build layers of flavor. And that's how I bring big, bold flavor, wild flavor dishes like this together, building the layers of flavor, wild flavor. Add that seared venison neck roast back into the pot, and we're going to have to simmer it till it's good and tender. My hot Italian sausage seasoning does more than just make sausage. You can use it in all kinds of cooking applications. There's no cure in it. So this is one giant wild flavor pack right here. Gonna season this pasta. My Stonehouse marinara is all natural, and you want to talk about building big, bold layers of flavor, and then we're gonna cream it out and make it extra delicious with that half and half. And this is how you feed 20 guys in deer camp, Hunt Chef wild flavor style. I hope you enjoyed this week's big, bold, wild flavor recipe. Check us out, huntchef.com, for all our hunts and seasonings.